Would you like to learn how to formulate different kinds of cosmetic products at home? Then keep watching this video. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Midex from Midex Formulation School. And you know what we do here? We share formulation tips, we share DIYs, we share recipes, we share anything that will make your formulation journey easier. And I have a big announcement to make. So Midex Formulation School started as a hair care formulation school where we share hair care tips, formulation tips, like how to make hair care, different kinds of hair care products. But guess what? I am branching out into other aspects of cosmetic formulation. So I am someone who loves nature. Anyone who knows me knows that I love exploring natural ingredients to formulate things at home, like to formulate different kinds of products at home. And I've been exploring a lot of natural ingredients. I've been exploring a lot of recipes that are so good, and I'm going to be sharing with you. And now these recipes are not only limited to hair care, right? I'm talking about recipes like perfume oil recipes, lip balm, mask, and different kind of things. Just things that will just help you personally, your cosmetic journey and all that. So I'm going to be exploring different parts of cosmetic, and I'll be cosmetic formulation, and I'll be sharing it on my YouTube channel. So now this YouTube channel will not be only about hair care formulation, right? It will also be about other aspects of cosmetic formulation, because there are things that I'm exploring personally and then I've decided to share with you all, and I'm very sure it will be beneficial to you. So on my formulation community too on Telegram, it's not going to be only about hair care formulation. We'll be doing more of hair care formulation, fine. Over 50% of the recipes I'll be sharing, even maybe 70% or so, like a higher percentage, will be about hair care formulation, because that is my main focus and that is what my business is about. But I'll also be sharing like different experiments with you that I've been trying out myself, and that's really nice for me. I've been trying out for my family, and that's really nice, and I would love to share with you too. So are you excited about it? What do you actually think? Let me know what you think in the comment section, because so we're not changing our name. It's Midex Formulation School, because it is not Midex Hair Care Formulation School, it is Midex Formulation School. So what do you think? Are you excited about this? Are you excited about learning other things apart from hair care formulation from me, like me sharing my my experiments, results, and things with you? What do you think? And these are things that are very, very interesting to make, and that you can make with things you easily see around you. And these are things that are effective. You know that me, I don't share things that I've not tested before. I don't share things that I've not tried out before. Whatever I share with you are things that have worked for me, or worked for my customers, or that have worked for my family. You get? So it's actually going to be an interesting ride. Stick with me on this ride. And if you've not joined my community, we are almost 600 members now. So just click the link in the description box. It is free. You don't need to do anything to join my community. Click the link in the description box to join the community, because I'll be sharing most of the recipes on this community, but I'll be sharing the practical videos on YouTube, right? So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm so excited. I love formulating. I love experimenting. So I'm really excited to share this with you. And as I said, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, follow me on Instagram at Midex_formulation school. Follow me. Why are you not following me yet? And if you're not subscribed to this channel, you're going to be missing a lot. Please subscribe now. Why are you not subscribed? Did I offend you? So please just subscribe. I love you all.